Okay, see. Now in the previous session we have seen how to create tuple, okay? So in this session we'll be seeing how to access or update. Update is not possible, but there is other way to do that, okay? Through list we can do it, okay? Delete, okay? All these operations also we can do it on tuple, but there is a way, okay? So there is no direct way actually. Okay, so let's start. So how to access? Okay, so you can access the items inside tuple by referring to its index. Okay, so you know very well when we create the fruits tuple. Okay, tuple, it starts with round brackets. Okay, and we say in here this is apple. Okay, and this is kiwi. This is mango, okay? So you know very well that the list, these triple items, it is indexed. Like first item is at position 0, second item is at position 1, and third item is at position 2, okay? So it's index. It's called index 0, 1, 2. It's index, okay? So, you just put this one inside the, square bracket. It's a print name of the tuple, and square bracket, and which item you want. I want kiwi. You put its index 1. Okay. Remember, square brackets, not round brackets. So, and then you run this. So you'll get, kiwi out. Okay, so now what we need, we want to print last item. Okay, so this prints first. Sorry, this prints position. So it is going to give us fruits of one. Okay, so let me just print it this way so it will be clear to you. Okay, and now by index, and let's say I want to print last item. Okay, okay, and then I can just say fruits of, I don't know how many items are in there. Okay, it could be 3, it could be 10. So, you don't worry, you just say minus 1. Minus 1 means last item. See, it is printing mango. If there was one more item in this, okay, let's say it's a banana, okay. So still it will print last item. So you don't have to really worry about it, okay. That minus 1 you say, then it will print last item. Now there is range of indexes. Okay. So range of indexes is, like you can give, like let's say I want to print. So actually kiwi, is at 2 and mango is at 3. Okay. I want to print from 0 to 2. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Okay. So what I can do, I can provide its index, a range. Okay. You can call it as range. Okay. Range 0. Okay. You can say 0 to 2. So when you want kiwi also in output, okay, then you say next position. Okay, you want 0, 1, 2 in output. Okay, apple, banana, kiwi in output screen. Then you have to give third index. Okay, so up to 3 it will print, means it will print apple, banana, and kiwi. You understand? Okay, and then in here we can say comma, fruits of 0:3. See, mango will not be printed. Okay, see, so 3 items printed. Okay, so it returns, it will return, it will return 0, 1, and 2, but not 3. Okay, You understand? 1 minute, please. Okay. So now, let's see the range of indexes you've seen. Now, let's say I want output, like 1, 2, 3 index, like banana, kiwi, and mango. Okay. It will start from banana. So, we will just say, I want range. It will start from 1, okay? So it will print banana up to what? Mango I want, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide in here 4, okay? All right. So actually mango is the last item, in the tuple. So if you don't provide it, it's much better, okay? Because it will consider it is the last, okay? And now in here, you have to say fruits, then 1 colon here. You don't provide anything, so it will take whatever items up to the list end, okay? So up to the end. So from banana up to the end of the list. So it will return from 1 and up to last item. Last item. Here is the tuple, okay? So if there were many items in this one, from banana, there could be pineapple, kiwi, mango, okay? Then it could print all, okay? So let's just print it. See, it gave me banana, kiwi, and mango. If there was one more item in this, it would have shown that also, okay? So let's say, I want to show, from start, from start to kiwi. Okay, that means kiwi also should be displayed. Okay, kiwi should display. Kiwi, should be displayed. Okay, so you want kiwi in output. Okay, so it is start of the list. Okay, so start means what? See, start means you don't have to say anything. Okay, you say zero, no issues. But when it's empty, it means start, and you want up to what, kiwi, okay? But you want the kiwi in output, so you have to provide next index 3, okay? And now you can put in here fruits empty and 3, so it will return 0, 1, 2, okay? It will return 0, 1, 2, okay? So let's rerun this. Okay, now check it out. In here, you got apple 0, 1, 2. Okay. All right. So you can also do that, with the negative indexes. So let's say I want first and last. Okay. Like say, see, I want last two. Okay. Like kiwi and mango. I want kiwi and mango. So what do I do? Okay. Last two I want to print. Last 2 items. I don't see you have 4 items in here, okay? But let's say there are 50 items, okay? So you don't want to count the positions from the start, okay? So that's why when you want to bring last two, it's much better you give negative indexing. So you say range and you want last two, no? So you have to give here indexes, let's say I want, like say -2, and in here -1, okay? So this should give you, you know see, -2 and colon minus, or you can just give nothing in here, okay? It will take up to the end. let me see. See, it is printing kiwi and mango. Let's say if we give, okay, let's say, we give in here -1. Okay, so what happens? Let's see. Oh, it's giving, see, only kiwi, not this mango. Why? Because we say up to -1. Okay, so hello, Tathag. Okay, so now in this one, you have to say -1. You have to keep it empty. Okay, if you say -1,
Yes, what happened?
yeah, what is that on the screen?
What? I don't see anything.
No, no, now you don't say anything, but before there were few lines on the screen. Okay,
Oh, I thought you did that. I can.
no, 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 it is not from mind. Okay, see in here, so -2. Okay, and then we run this one. Okay. So you see, if we see -1, no, it will say up to -1. So it will say kiwi and it will just stop because mango it will print because this is the -1. Okay. All right. So this is this is what you have to do if you print last two. Okay. Let's say I want to print last three. Okay. So let me just provide in here last three items I want. Okay. So how do you do that? So we print, range -3, last three, and keep it empty. Don't provide end here. Okay, just say fruits -3 and empty. Okay, so you don't provide in here anything, it will print last item also. Okay, see. Okay, you want like say banana, kiwi only. All right, using negative indexes. Okay, you want banana and kiwi. Let's say you want, okay, uh, okay, third last and second last, but not last. Okay, but no last item. Okay, so that means what to do then? Okay, you have to give it range in here. See, banana is at -3. Okay, and kiwi has -2. So if you give -1, it should give you shade. It should give you banana and kiwi, but not mango. Okay, so fruits -3, -1. Okay, let's run this. Do you have my screen?
Yes.
Okay, see the banana and kiwi printed. Okay, so enough with the printing now. Okay, so we know how to access it. Okay, so let's see, you know, how to check the item is present in the tuple or not. Okay, so first we will know, you know, how to print it. Okay, how to print all items using for. Okay, it's very easy. All you have to see. First, let me comment all this part. So let me just do commenting in here. Okay, now in here, what I have to do? See, I have to here say for X will be items. Okay, I will say items. For each item, in what? In tuple. Okay, tuple name is fruits. Okay. So, for each item in fruits, you print item. That's it. It's very easy to print all the items. See, it's printing apple, it's printing banana, it's printing kiwi, it's printing mango. All right. You understand? So how to print all the items? You say for. For means all the items in the tuple. Okay. So you have here one tuple. Let me just do copy in here. Okay. And put it in comment. Let me just do copy. Okay, items in here. So what it does basically, see. So it's basically, we'll make it short name in here. It's we say fruit. Fruit means fruits, okay? So for each atom in fruit, okay? So fruit is the tuple name for each atom. So first atom will be apple, okay? Let's focus here, okay? For atom will be apple. Let's say we name it as X, okay? For each atom will be X. So initially X will be apple. So it has printed apple. Then once after printing apple, the X will jump to banana. Next atom. So then it will print banana. Okay. See, look at here. And then X will move to next atom. X becomes kiwi. Then it prints kiwi. See? And then after printing, X goes to mango. So it prints mango. After then, we don't have any items. It's null. It will stop. Okay. It will stop. You got my point? So this is how you print tuple. Okay. So this is for loop. Okay. Using while loop also you can do that. Okay. So while loop means what? Let me explain you. While loop is a loop, it just, it's like a counter. Okay. It counts like what you have printed. Okay. So, you have to set your X to apple. So what is apple's position? Apple's position is 0. Okay, Apple is at position 0. So initially you have to make your X as 0. Okay, because your X should start from 0. So if you are working with while loop, okay, not using for is very easy. Okay, because you don't have to deal with the indexes in here. But when you are working with while, you need to tell that X is 0, because if you don't tell X is 0, X will not be, you know, at position apple. Okay, so now X is at position apple because X's value is 0. So when X is 0, it is pointing apple. Okay, but it is pointing apple. Okay, but it's not printing apple. Okay, so in order to print that apple, you have to put this X, you know, in square brackets, okay, of tuple name. So this is the tuple proof in that my x's value is 0. So that's why I have put it x because it is going to change all the time. X is 0, and it is going to print apple. Okay, fru of 0. Fru of x means x's value is 0. So fru of 0 means apple. Okay, so now let's make it x1. Okay, so we do x is equal to x plus 1, meaning what? That x's value is going to next position. X is 1. So what is x, what is 1 in here? Banana. Okay, so now x is changing its value. So here x became 1. So because we have changed it, we modified x. Okay, we said you were 0 before, now you became 1. Okay, and now you have to continue again. You have to, start from here again. Why you say that do this until that x's value is less than, okay, how many atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4 atoms are there. So you say x is less than 4. Okay, so you say x is less than 4. You got it? If 5 atoms were there, then you can write x less than 5. Okay, and you have to put it inside. Inside it. Now see, this is important. Okay, you need to give spacing because this is while body. Okay, it's a loop. Okay, so it will run until x becomes 4. See, let me help you with this. Initially, x's value is, x is, I'll just make a column of x. Okay, so let me just, do this here. Okay, see, I have made here, x's column. created X column. Now what is X? X is 0. So let's just put 0 in the column X. Okay. And now see. So now see, let's check X less than 4. Tell me, is X less than 4? Check the X's value. So X's value is 0. Put it here. Is 0 less than 4? Yes, it's true. So when it says true, the print statement will be executing. So let's just put, a value of x is 0. Check here in the column of x, it is 0. So it is printing fru of x means fru of 0. So fru of 0 is apple. You got it? So you are printing apple in here. Okay. Now you are doing x is equal to x plus 1. X equal to x plus 1, meaning what? Now you are changing x's value. Okay, you are incrementing x's value by 1. So it was 0, now it will be 1. So after this, it will not continue to the next line. It will continue to the condition. Okay, because while body when finishes, after incrementing, it has to check condition. So is it less than 4? So, the new value of x is 1. Okay, so now you put here 1. Okay, okay, just let me put it in here. 1 less than 4. So is it true? Yeah, true. Latest value of x is 1. So is it 1 less than 4? So, this is you always put latest value of x in condition. So 1 less than 4, it's true. When you say it's true, you're executing line number 34, you're executing line number 35. Okay, so line number 34 is printing just by putting x's latest value in here. So it is fru of 1. So check what is fru of 1 index is banana. Okay, so it is giving me output in banana. You understand?
Yes.
See, now what we do? So we increment x by 1. Okay, so see, in here, I'm going to make x 2. Why it became 2? Because of this increment operator. It is incrementing value of x. You got it? Alright, so what we do now in here, we put, see, after incrementing where it goes, it jumps to condition. It jumps to condition. You got my point? So, after incrementing, you don't go to line number 36, 37. Okay? No, no, no. After incrementing, it goes to condition. You check condition. If it's true, it's doing the same thing again. 2 less than 4. Tell me, is it true or false? It's true again. Okay, so line number 34 is doing its job. What is it doing? It's doing, fru of put x's value 2 in there. So fru of 2 is, so see, fru of 2 is, fru 0 is apple, fru 1 is banana, and fru 2 is kiwi. As x is kiwi, no? So, sorry, x is 2, So it is printing kiwi. X's value is 2, so it is printing row of 2 kiwi. So you can see in output, it's a kiwi. You got it? So now, after printing where it goes, next line, x equal to x plus 1. So meaning what? That it is incrementing the value of x by 1. So x is 3, so it has incremented to, okay, 3. So let's check after incrementing where it goes to the condition. Okay, so in this one, you check put x's value, latest value 3. Okay, so 3 less than 4. It is true. It's again true. So now what happens when it's true? Meaning what? If condition is true, means again it's executing print and incrementing x. So print what it says, fru of x. What is latest value of x? 3. Put it here. Fru of 3. So in the fru, what is 3? In the fru, 3 is mango. Okay, you understand? So you're saying here x is 3. So when x is 3 now, so it is printing actually fru of 3 means mango. So let's check in the output. See, we got the mango output. After then x increments. You don't stop yet because you have to keep on doing this. This loop will stop only when this is false. So x is equal to x plus 1. So you know what you have to do. You have to just put hash in here, make it 4 in here, and you have to say 4 less than 4. Now you say 4 less than 4. No, it is false. Now you stop. Now you stop doing this. Okay. So as soon as it becomes false, okay, this condition it's going to stop. Okay. So the count operation it stopped. Okay. All right. So this is what the while loop. So it should give me the same output. Let's check. Okay. Let me run this. Okay, what did it say? Atom. Atom is where is atom? Okay, in here. Okay, so we have to make it x. This is for we change it. No, if it is x, you may put it x in here. If it is y, you put y in here. Okay, let's run it. See, now you got two output. Why? Because one output you got it from here. Okay, and another output you got it using while loop. So let's just comment this one and let's just run it. See, it is printing apple, banana, kiwi, mango, same as before. This one. Okay, same as this for you. So I know this is easy, but sometimes you have to use by index, okay, because of some requirements. Okay, so the code requirement is such a way that you need to use while loop. Okay, let's say I want to print a reverse list. Okay, uh, let's say I want to check, I want to print this reverse. Okay, reverse meaning what? Okay, you are not going from 0, 1 to 3. You are going reverse. You are going from 3 to 1, the becoming 0, and then stop. Understand? So it's like you are climbing up. Okay, you are climbing up means 0, 1, then climbing up 2, and then climbing upstairs 3. You reach the stair 3. Now climbing down means you have to now come from 3, step down 2, step down 1, step down 0. You reach the ground floor. You understand? So climbing up and climbing down. So there is always change in the start value. When you are climbing up, your start is 0. Okay. When you are climbing down, your start will be changing. See, start will be, see, what is the start? Tell me. So start will be 3. You understand? So you have to say 3 in here. Okay, now you're reaching, see, climbing now, where you're going to ground floor. So ground floor is 0. So you have to say in here, greater than, equal to 0. So it should be greater or it should be same as 0. Okay, so this is the condition. You don't keep less than because see, if you say less than 0, no, that will be wrong. Because when x's value is 3, okay, you put it in here. 3 less than 0, it will be false and it will not show you any output. 3 is not less than 0. 3 is greater than 0. 2 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. 0 is greater than 0. No, but 0 is same as 0. So that's why we have to put condition in here that greater than or equal to. Okay, so I'm using this sign in here greater than or equal to 0. Okay. All right, so now what you do, see, you're changing here 3, okay, x3, 3 greater than, see, we have to change it. 3 greater than or equal to 0. It's true, 3 greater than or equal to 0. We put it, okay, everywhere. Okay, see, 3 greater than 0, it's true. Okay, it's printing what? Mango. Now it will print mango first. Okay, see, x's value is what? 3. So it is printing true of 3 mango first. Then it will become, see, you have decrement. See, what will happen if you want to step down? Step down means you have to decrement. 3 should become 2. Okay, this is very important. Most of the time we forget this. So instead of becoming 2, 3 becomes 4. Okay, so that is what happens. So you have to decrement this. Okay, now see, so it became 2. You understand? It became 2. Now say 2 greater than equal to 0. Yes. Again it is printing throw of 2 kiwi. Okay, then it does minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 means 2 becomes 1. Now check. Is 1 greater than equal to 0? Yes. Okay, yes meaning printing through of 1. 1 means banana. Okay. So banana is printed. And then no, we didn't run this yet. Okay, so don't check this output. It is in ascending same order, but it will be reverse order. First, we will print mango in here, then kiwi in here, then banana in here. Now it should become, 0. So, here it becomes 0. So 0 is greater than 0. No, but 0 is actually equal. So we are checking two conditions, either greater or 0. So one condition made true. So it is true now. So it is printing true of 0. X's latest value is 0. So it is, you put it in here, true of 0 is apple. Okay, and then it becomes minus 1. See, check it in here. Now it became minus 1. So there's a problem now. See, so it's a minus 1. Minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Oh, that's wrong. Minus 1 is not greater, not same, so it is saying false. And now when it's false, it's not continuing. Okay, when it's false, it's not going to go inside. Okay, it's going to continue from line number, 39. Okay, we can print in here. Okay, the excess value that, it will show you it's a minus 1. Okay, and when it becomes minus 1, it will become false. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, let's run this. See in here, okay, here, okay, see, this is printing reverse now, okay, this we have to comment in, okay, so let's comment this code, okay, we have commented this code now, let's run this, so it is printing, okay, what does it say, unexpected what, okay, see, it is printing mango first, like I said, then kiwi, okay, see, mango first, then kiwi, then banana, then apple. Why it's printing minus 1? Because I asked it to print minus 1. So as soon as it become minus 1, it stopped. See, this is the excess value we are printing. The minus 1 means it is the stop condition. You can do this also, okay? You don't want greater and equal to use both signs. You just say x greater minus 1. That also is okay. That is also okay. All right. But as because we have used this in here, we'll use the same condition. Okay. So this is it. So this is printing reverse. Okay. So let me just put it in here. Printing reverse tuple. Okay. And then in here, we say printing, okay, the tuple. Okay. Only this one is printing in reverse. Okay. So let me just copy this code and paste it down. Okay. First you try this example. Okay. And then you try reverse one. I don't want you to first work upon reverse code. Okay. All right. So let me just rerun this, make sure everything is in place. Okay. All code is working fine. Let's say I want to find any fruit from this. Okay. How do you find? So you use for loop there. Okay. Let's say search. For searching, we want to copy these fruits one more time in here. Let's comment it. Okay. Okay, don't uncomment this one. Okay. So only you have to uncomment this one. So let's put the fruits list in here. We want to do searching operation. Okay, so we want to do searching operation. So let's comment this part first. All right. So it's commented now. Printing reverse. Okay, it's better if you, copy the fruits at every place, like here, okay, then here, okay, it will be easy for you. Then printing reverse tuple here, okay, and for now reverse, so searching, okay. So for searching, it is very easy. Just you have to say, first you have to print all, okay, for, X will be the all, each item in the fruits, and you have to print X, okay. That's what you learned before, okay. It will print all the items. See, but I don't want to print all the items. I want to print if banana is present or not. Okay, so how do you check it? So you say in that put condition in here, if, okay, you say banana, okay, equal to X. So what you are saying, banana is it present in the this tuple? You know that by looking at this, yeah, it is present, but you have to check x's value. Is x's value, see, initially x will be apple. Okay, so now it will say, is apple banana? No, isn't it? So then x becomes, banana. Is banana that we are, we were looking for? Yes, it says yes, yes, I found it. We want to print that. Okay, so let's run this. Now you won't see all the items, apple, banana, kiwi. You'll just see if banana is present, it will say banana is there. See, banana is printed. Let's say I say here, pineapple. Now he say, now X is banana apple first. Is apple pineapple? No. Is then X will be banana. Is banana pineapple? No. Then X will be kiwi. Is X kiwi pineapple? No. Then X will be mango. It will say, is X mango pineapple? No. So it will not print anything. See? It will not print anything. So instead of, if we say that it doesn't have, we can have, like we can just say here one flag. Okay, so flag will be zero. Zero meaning it doesn't found, it didn't find it. Okay, here we make it flag one. All right, and we'll check in here. If flag is zero, that means you didn't find it. It's a print not found. And in else we say print found. Let's run this. Okay, that's it. So that's it for today's session. Okay, we have seen how to access the tuple and for loop and while loop. Okay, all right. Thank you for joining today's session. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.